Hello, everybody. How are you doing? This is my reaction. I'm gonna be having a dish called coconut rice, and I forgot the name of this fish, but it's some king something fish. Yeah, so I'm gonna be eating this. Hey, this king fish thingy is very good, man. Hey, very delicious, but you better watch out for bones in case you buy it because this fish has some gigantic bones, and unlike snook or other fishes like that, these bones are not so easy to find, so you might find yourself swallowing a bone or two. But luckily for me, I'm like a bone detective. I'm a bone detector. I know how to find. Okay, now that I hear that out loud, it sounds dirty. Sorry. Too bad I can't edit it out. Anyways, let me continue with my conversation, man. Yo, this meal tastes like, when you've been longing for an oasis and you are stuck in the desert. And that is how this tastes. That taste is so rich, it's so tropical. Hey, and it has that kick. It has that kick, mtanami. But relax, man. Relax. I am South African after all, so I'm not intimidated by these flavors. That's why I had to grab some peri peri sauce straight from the shores of Mozambique, nyakutshela, because this one is too little for me. I need to put some extra on that kingfish. Yes, man. Yes. So I'm just chilling back in the restaurant, minding my own business, chowing my food, man. I want to know how this thing tastes with that kick. The kick is coming from peri peri sauce. Hey, if you don't like the food, then put peri peri, man. Tell your wife that you don't want to eat peri peri, man. Tell your wife you don't want to eat her curry, but instead of saying it to her face, just grab some peri peri and then put the sauce on that curry, and then put the sauce on that rice, and then put the sauce on that biryani. Hey, I love peri peri sauce. It got the kick, it got the groove, it got the move. This is a sauce, king of all sauce. See, man, I ran out of rhymes. Wada. That is why I'm praying like this. Hey, this meal has a kick. Anyways, guys, if you find yourself around these restaurants, these are the seaside restaurants like that in South Africa. They are called Mozambique. Please try and request this menu. This is a very good menu. I rate it out of 10. I'd give it a 8.5. The other 2.5 is I want something unpredictable when I'm eating. This is way too predictable. This is way too predictable meal, but nonetheless, it's still delicious. Guys, thank you very much for staying tuned on this show. I love you so much. Peace out. Hi, this is Mpilo. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I release the video. Don't forget to share and like, comment below. Your engagement can help me grow this channel faster than I ever thought. Thanks for watching. Bye.